Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Shortcuts app, tap the icon on your home screen or swipe to the app library. Once the app is visible, make sure you're looking in the correct tab, My Shortcuts, because that's where personal automation's live. If you don't see it, swipe down to search. Tap and hold one shortcut briefly to preview options, because a gentle long press reveals the menu you'll use next. This gets you into edit mode without extra steps. Once a shortcut is highlighted, you can delete it. If you long pressed, choose Delete from the context menu. Confirm the deletion when the alert appears so you don't remove the wrong one. Alternatively, tap Select in the top right to pick multiple shortcuts, then tap the trash icon to remove them in one action. This saves time when cleaning up. Make sure to review any shared or folder-contained shortcuts before deleting, because removal is immediate and affects only your device. After deletion, check the recently deleted folder in Shortcuts if you want to permanently remove or recover items. Swipe down to reveal that view. Make sure to inspect home screen widgets and Siri shortcuts for leftover triggers, because those can reference removed shortcuts. If delete is grayed out, force quit shortcuts, or reboot your iPhone, that often resolves UI glitches. And if a shortcut was shared or in a folder, open that folder first. Confirm it's the right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.